Hi guys, this is Kunal Tandon. Today I will tell you how to root your Samsung Galaxy Chat GTB 5330 smartphone. First of all, this is the first and the cheapest Samsung smartphone to have Ice Cream Sandwich, that is 4.0.4, and then updated to Jelly Bean, that is 4.1.2 Android operating system. Now for root, first of all you have to go to the link of a website to download the whole package for your phone's root. The link of the website is mentioned in the description of this video. This is the tool root for Galaxy Chat. You have to download this file from the Dropbox. You can see I have downloaded this file. Just extract it. The file has been extracted. Open the file. Here you will find clockwork mode, flash keyboard, galaxy_chat_root.zip, GTB5330 plus pitch RVR and similar files. The first task you have to do is you have to transfer this file, which is galaxy_chat_root.zip, to your phone's external SD card. But remember, don't put this file into any of the folders so that you can access it easily in the recovery mode. Now open the GTB5330 plus pitch RVR. Open it. Here you will find Odin 307. Again open it. Now this is the extension of Odin 3 version 3.07. This is how the Odin 3 looks. Now we have to make our device into the downloading mode for our root process. To make your device into the downloading mode, first of all we have to switch off this phone. To make your device into the downloading mode, press volume down button and power button at the same time. Now we are making our device into the downloading mode by pressing volume down and power button. This is the downloading mode. Volume up is for continue and volume down is for cancel, which will restart the phone. Now press volume up for continue. This is the Odin mode. Connect your phone with the USB cable. The phone has been connected. Now go to the extracted file, click on recovery.zip and just copy this file to the desktop, which is recovery.tar.md5. The file has been copied. Now go to Odin, click on PDA and select the file which we have copied, which is recovery.tar.md5. As you can see, the file has been added to the Odin. Now the one thing is very much important in this task. After downloading is completed, remove the USB cable as fast as you can before the model name flashes on the screen to get the phone into the recovery mode. Now we are just starting the process. For recovery mode, you have to press volume up and power button at the same time. Now this is the recovery mode. The touch screen doesn't work here, so to go to any of the options, you have to work with volume up and volume down like this. And to select any of the options, you have to just tap the home button. Now we are applying the root, so we have to go to apply update from SD card. Here's the transferred file, galaxychat.root.zip. Just tap and just reboot your phone. The phone has been rooted. Thanks for watching my video. You can post your comments, and as soon as possible, if you have any problem, I will give solutions to them. This is Kunal Tandon signing off. Thank you.